So we are solving 6 plus 50 divided by 25 times 4. So 6 plus 50 divided by 25 equals 2 times 4, right? Now 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8 times 4. Now 8 times 4 equals 32, right? But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication must be done before subtraction, right? So here is divide, here is multiply. Multiplication and division must be done before subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. 6 plus 50 divided by 25 equals 2 times 4. Now multiply first. So 6 plus 2 times 4 equals 8, and 6 plus 8 equals 14.